Before we approach to the main topics, let's have a look at what is life insurance. How does life insurance work? What is a beneficiary? How are life insurance premiums calculated? What is life insurance? Your family relies on you for financial support, but if you pass away unexpectedly, that security will be lost. If you are unable to care for your loved ones, life insurance can provide peace of mind and safeguard them. Life insurance is designed to help you financially in the event that you die. Your policy is a contract between you and your insurance company. You usually agree to pay a monthly or annual premium, and your life insurance company will pay your specified beneficiary if you die. Insurance payments are usually tax-free and come with no strings attached, allowing your loved ones to spend the money however they want. The policy must, however, be active at the time of your death in order for your insurance company to pay out. How does life insurance work? The first step in getting life insurance is to do some research and fill out an application for the best policy for you. Although approval times vary, Fidelity Life's patented procedure and no medical exam choices can help you receive life insurance faster. Once your insurance is active, you must make regular payments to keep it active, as well as check to see if the coverage still meets your needs on a regular basis. If you die while the policy is still active, your beneficiaries will get a lump sum payment that they can spend for whatever they like. Let's have a look at what is a beneficiary. When you die, a beneficiary is the person or organization who receives your death benefit. Your policy's beneficiary is chosen or designated by you. While your policy is still valid, you may help a family member, a friend, a charity, or an organization. The payoff from a life insurance policy is given to a selected beneficiary. You can name beneficiaries for your life insurance policy regardless of who they are or whether or not they are related to you. Many people designate either their spouse or their children, or both. Others allocate the death benefit to their estate or a third party to pay off any outstanding debts. The death benefit can be divided into numerous portions, with each beneficiary receiving a different amount. If you don't specify a beneficiary, or if all of your specified beneficiaries are disqualified or pass away before you, the death benefit may be paid to your heirs at law or your estate. This is determined by the terms of your insurance policy and the state in which you lived at the time of your death. What is the process for calculating life insurance premiums? Your life insurance premium is usually determined based on a number of indicators that are used to assess the likelihood of it being paid out sooner rather than later. To assess your degree of risk, the underwriter will consider the sort of policy you desire, your health and lifestyle, and any supplemental insurance. Type of policy. The policy premiums for permanent life insurance, which has a fixed rate for the rest of your life, can be greater. If you choose term life insurance, your premiums may be reduced if you intend to outlive the policy term. Additional policy riders, like as a payout in the event of accidental death or incapacity, can raise your premium. Health. Your life insurance premium may be greater if your health is poor, you have several risk factors, such as smoking, heart disease, or stroke risk, or you have a chronic condition, because you are more likely to die at a younger age than the average person. Your rates may be reduced if you are young, do not smoke, and are otherwise healthy. Lifestyle. Your insurance premiums may be greater if you get a lot of speeding tickets, enjoy paragliding, or engage in other dangerous behaviors, as these activities raise the risk of dying young. Your premium may be cheaper if you are a careful driver with a limited number of hobbies. Riders. If you add unique options to your insurance policy known as riders, your premium may go up somewhat for each rider. Riders can include extra payouts for things like accidental death or disability, as well as a premium waiver in the event you become disabled and unable to work or pay your premiums. Let's come to the main point: no medical exam life insurance. Without a physical exam, you can get cheap term and whole life insurance. First, try to understand what is no exam life insurance. A medical exam is required for traditional life insurance to assist the insurance company get a better picture of your health. This procedure entails gathering information such as weight, height, blood pressure, blood and urine samples, etc. No exam life insurance, as the name implies, can offer you a policy without having to go through this process, cutting down on what can be a lengthy ordeal. On the other hand, simplified issue life insurance, also known as no medical exam life insurance, provides coverage without the need for physical exams, blood tests, or urine testing. Simplified issue term life insurance might be a straightforward and economical option if you need coverage quickly or if you have pre-existing problems that would make passing a medical test difficult. If you're looking for life insurance and want to know if a no-exam policy is right for you, you'll need to do some research to make sure you're receiving the best deal while also being honest with yourself about whether you're willing to take time out of your day for a medical exam. Here are a few crucial questions to think about when considering no medical exam life insurance to help you choose the proper policy for your needs and understand your possibilities. Life insurance coverage with no medical exam. Both term and whole life insurance plans with no medical exam are available, however, the death benefits for whole life coverage are often limited to $50,000 or less, which is 10 times less than the normal limit for term life benefits. When an insurer offers no medical exam coverage in exchange for a larger death benefit, it usually indicates that the medical exam will be based on your answers to health questionnaires. When you apply for no medical exam insurance, you'll be asked a series of questions about your health and medical history, and your answers will be used to evaluate if you're eligible for coverage. The list of questions varies by insurer, so you can be turned down by one company only to receive coverage with another. Honesty is crucial regardless of the questions you're asked. If your insurer discovers that you misled or misrepresented anything within the first 2 years of coverage, they have the right to cancel your insurance without a return. Keep in mind that even if you don't have a physical exam, insurers might use a variety of methods to verify the information you submit. Insurance companies check your responses against the following criteria on a regular basis. There is a question: should I buy life insurance no medical exam? Life insurance with no medical test is more expensive than life insurance with a medical exam, and it usually has fewer possibilities, such as the opportunity to enhance your death benefit or convert a term policy to a permanent policy. Furthermore, the medical exam is free, usually takes less than 30 minutes, and may be done at your home or place of business. This is why, if you can qualify for regular coverage, we don't propose no medical exam life insurance. There will be no medical examination. Instant life insurance is particularly useful if you need it to acquire a personal or corporate loan, which is a regular requirement from institutional lenders. Traditional policies can take several weeks to approve, however, no medical exam policies frequently give coverage the same day or within 5 business days. We advocate receiving no medical exam coverage and then applying for a fully underwritten term insurance in these situations. This way, you can meet the bank's or another lender's immediate needs while lowering your long-term expenditures. Let's have a look at the best no medical exam life insurance companies are. Globe Life, Policy Genius, Group Life Insurance, State Farm, Colonial Pennsylvania, and many more. Thank you for joining us. Hope you will have a beautiful day.